Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to our online class. Yes, this is your science class. You know, today is your science class. So, as we have completed the term 2 syllabus, today we will be going to do our revision work. Okay, I have written this on the board. Okay. So, you know the questions will be of MCQ type, means one question will be given and 4 options are will be there and you have to choose the correct answer. Okay, so this way it will go. Choose the correct option. Okay, before starting, let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you the syllabus once again. Okay, before starting the MCQs, let me tell you the syllabus once again for term 2 science. Okay, your term 2 science syllabus is the chapters which are there are chapter number 8, that is skeletal system and nervous system. Chapter number 9, force, work and energy. Chapter number 10, essential for life, air and water. Chapter 11, moon and artificial satellites. And chapter 13, our environment and natural resources. Okay. So the question will be this way, the choose the correct option. Okay, question number 1. To move an object, we need number A, money, number B, truck, number C, force, and number D, work. So to move an object we need force. Option C is the correct one. Yes, number C. Now second question. What is the force? What is the force of the earth? What is the force of the earth that attracts every object towards its center called? So the question is, what is the force of the earth that attracts every object towards its center called? Your options are option A, gravitational force, number B, magnetic force, number C, electrostatic force, force, and number D, none of these. Okay, so the answer will be which force that attracts every object towards its center. It is of course the gravitational force, yes, or it is also called gravity, gravitational force. Option A is the correct one. Yes, not option C, it is option A, gravitational force or gravity. Okay, now next question, question number 3. In which of the following activities work is said to be done? In which of the following activities work is said to be done? Your options are sleeping, number B, eating, number C, crying, and number D, playing football. Okay, so in which of the following activities work is said to be done? Is it sleeping, is it eating, is it crying, or is it playing football? Yes, the option D is correct one, playing football. Because you know, work is said to be done only when the applied force changes the position of an object in the direction of the applied force. Okay, now I will rub number 1 to do the next one. Number 4 now. Number 4, a seesaw is an example of number A option, first class lever, number B, second class lever, number C, third class lever, and D, none of these. So a seesaw is an example of first class liver. Yes, option A is the correct one. It is a first class liver. Okay, next one. Number 5 now. Which of the following gases, which of the following gases is used in fire extinguishers? Your options are oxygen, nitrogen, number C, carbon dioxide, and number D, none of these. Okay, so which of the following gases is used in fire extinguishers? It is carbon dioxide. Option C is the correct one. Okay, now next one. Number 6, air dash on heating. Your options are contracts, number B, expands, number C, remains the same, and number D, none of these. So air dash on heating, what happens when air is heated? It expands. Yes, correct, expands. It will expand on heating. Okay, now number 7. Yes, expands, all correct. Now number 7, what is the amount of water vapor present in the air called? Let me write it down. What is the amount of water vapor, what is the amount of water vapor present in the air called? Okay, your options are humidity, humidity, humidity. B option, pressure, option C barometer, option D boiling. So let me read it out. What is the number 7? What is the amount of water vapor present in the air called? Is it humidity? Option A humidity, option B pressure, option C barometer, option D boiling. Yes, it is humidity. We know the definition humidity is the amount of water vapor present in the air. We have read that one from the chapter, no? The amount of water vapor present in the air is called humidity. Okay. Okay, I will rub number 4 now. We will do one more. Number 4. I will erase number 4. Number 8. Moon takes dash to complete one revolution. Moon takes dash to complete one revolution. Your options are 27 days and 8 hours, number B 27 days and 3 hours, 27 days and 3 hours, number C option 27 days and 5 hours, and option D 27 days and 7 hours. Okay, the question I will repeat once again. Number 8, moon takes dash to complete one revolution. Number A 27 days and 8 hours, number B 27 days and 3 hours, number C 27 days and 5 hours, and D 27 days and 7 hours. Okay, so the correct answer will be option A. It will be 27 days and 8 hours. This is the correct option. Yes. Okay. Okay, let us do one more, number 9. Number 9, during solar eclipse, dash casts its shadow on the earth. During solar eclipse, dash casts its shadow on the earth. Your options are the moon, number B, the Venus, number C, the Mars, and number D, the sun. So which one? During solar eclipse, dash casts its shadow on the earth. It will be moon. Yes, option A, the moon casts its shadow on the earth. Yes, the moon is the correct option. Okay. Okay, students, today up to this much we have revised. Actually your question pattern will be of MCQ type. No, one question will be given and options will be given. You have to choose the correct option. So you will practice in this way from the exercise of the chapters that are included in term 2, and also okay, you will practice chapter 13 also, you will practice at home. Okay, I will practice everything from the chapters that are included in term 2. Okay, so thank you everyone and goodbye.